What is the current state of abortion rights in the United States? A question echoing across the nation as the struggle for abortion rights continues. 2 years ago, the Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade, a decision that has since led to a drastic shift in the landscape of reproductive rights. States like Alabama have imposed severe restrictions on out-of-state abortion access, creating a challenging environment for women. As a result, many women are compelled to cross state lines to access the medical services they need. This has sparked a contentious debate about the constitutionality of these restrictions and the fundamental right to interstate travel. In the heart of this dispute is Alabama's Attorney General, Steve Marshall. Known for his staunch anti-abortion stance, Marshall has threatened to prosecute groups that assist women in obtaining out-of-state abortions. These threats have not gone unchallenged, leading to a legal battle with the Yellowhammer Fund, a group dedicated to helping women secure out-of-state abortions. This situation has led to a legal battle involving Alabama's Attorney General Steve Marshall and the Yellowhammer Fund. The Yellowhammer Fund, a group aiding women in obtaining out-of-state abortions, filed a lawsuit against Alabama Attorney General Steve Marshall. This case arose from a series of threats made by Marshall, suggesting that groups aiding and abetting abortions, including those assisting women to travel out of state, could face prosecution. The Yellowhammer Fund, along with other plaintiffs, decided to stand against this threat, leading to a legal battle that caught the attention of advocates on both sides of the abortion debate. The case took a significant turn when U.S. District Judge Myron Thompson made a preliminary ruling. Thompson, who was appointed by President Jimmy Carter, emphasized the fundamental constitutional right to interstate travel. He wrote, "Alabama can no more restrict people from going to, say, California, to engage in what is lawful there, than California can restrict people from coming to Alabama to do what is lawful here." This case isn't just about the women seeking abortions, it's also about the groups that intend to help them. Thompson noted that a patient's right to travel is inextricably bound up with these groups. He further stated, "The Constitution protects the right to cross state lines and engage in lawful conduct in other states, including receiving an abortion." The court's decision allows the lawsuit to proceed, emphasizing the constitutional right of individuals to cross state lines for lawful activities, including abortion. This case is a part of a larger nationwide debate on abortion rights. The Yellowhammer Fund's lawsuit against Alabama Attorney General Steve Marshall isn't just about one state's restrictive abortion laws. It's a microcosm of a countrywide struggle for reproductive rights. The Supreme Court's decision to overturn Roe v. Wade in Dobbs v. Jackson Women's Health Organization has led nearly 24 states to ban or heavily limit access to abortion. Alabama has been particularly stringent, banning abortion with no exceptions for instances of rape or incest. Meanwhile, Florida has implemented a 6-week abortion ban, effectively cutting off access to the procedure in most of the southern United States. These moves underscore the increasingly hostile landscape for abortion rights in the country. In this context, the Yellowhammer Fund's fight is not just about ensuring out-of-state abortion access for Alabama's women. It's about challenging a system that seeks to curtail women's autonomy over their bodies and reproductive choices. It's about standing up against a nationwide trend of restrictive abortion laws that disproportionately affect marginalized communities. As the fight for abortion rights continues, the outcome of the Yellowhammer Fund's lawsuit could have significant implications for women across the United States.